Hello everybody, it's Charlotte here. Welcome to a brand new video on this channel, and look, we are already into another video. So, if you guys can't tell, I did a cut crease look today, and this is the video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on. I know I've been wanting to do tutorials on makeup. Like, when I first started transitioning, I really wasn't into makeup tutorials, and to wanting to do them anyways, I really wasn't even into makeup that much, but now I'm like, oh my god, I love doing makeup enough to really want to make videos on it. But yeah. Stick around and I'll show you guys how I got this look, and I tried to replicate this look right here, but I probably didn't get close enough, but it was decent. Got close, but yeah. I'll see you guys right now in the next 5 seconds. Bye. So like I said, I'm going to be doing that makeup style today, and I'm a big, Einstein. So like I said, I'm going to be doing that look today. So I really like to look at Pinterest, especially at this chick's pictures. She has some bomb-ass pictures of her with her makeup, so yeah, right now I'm trying to find myself some primers that I want to use. I use usually 3 different primers. I get a lot of primer samples at Sephora, so I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover primer on my face, like so. So apparently this one's a very good one, so and I've seen good results from primers. Really, I have the best ones I've had were from Smashbox, to be honest with you. I really like the Smashbox ones I used to have. I figured out a way to do my things. Hopefully I can get a ring light that will help you, because if you guys don't notice, if I put a light on me, you can see my face so much better. But that's using my mirror. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get some MAC Fix Studio SPF 15 foundation, and we're gonna use a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, and we're gonna open this up. I usually put quite a bit on my foundation, on my beauty blender. That's about it. So I go like that, like that, see, like that, and then on your nose, of course. And then from there, you go in like a machine and get the bottoms so that you can mix them up with your neck, so it doesn't look like you just have like foundation and no foundation. I don't want that to happen. So right now, it's my face. Obviously, I don't know how to wash my face because I still have some freaking eyeliner right here, or mascara, sorry. Next, we're gonna move on to the brows, and that is something I like to do. They used to be a pain in the freaking ass, and sometimes they are. If you just mess up a lot and it's just not your day, then it's gonna be bad. I'm gonna be using my broken Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in chocolate with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush number 12 to do all the drawing, I guess. What I'm gonna start doing is using the spoolied end, just to pull out my eyebrows that are clearly not there. They're very small amounts of hair. If you guys can't tell, very small amounts of hair. This brow is doing really good when it comes to growing back. I have a scar on this brow, so it's really hard for the hairs to grow back, and that's just how I have to deal with it, you know. Usually I start off with the bottom of the brows, just reimagining where that line would be, just like that. Some of the best things about makeup is knowing that you can fix whatever you mess up with concealer or foundation. It's not that hard. Right here, and then whatever I have left, I will fill out the natural brow area, and that's right here. And you guys know, this is where my natural brows are actually really showing very well, whereas where it's more intense lines, it's where my brow is kind of like non-existent. So yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. So as we're filling it in, filling it in. I'm actually gonna shape up this brow because I didn't want it to be more flat. I want it to be more round at the top. So like this. Right now we're done with the brows, but now we're gonna get to the cleaning. Today, I'm gonna use that MAC foundation again, but we're gonna use what's left at the bottom of the lid, because I sometimes use concealer, but I'm running out of concealer, so we're gonna use the MAC foundation to fix it, because it will actually help it look like I never made a mistake. And what else are we gonna use to blend it other than using the Morphe M421 brush? And that's a very small brush like this, and it's used for concealer or fixing up your brows and stuff like that. Okay, and just like that, the brow has been cleaned, and it looks amazing too. So let's head on to the second brow. The second brow is actually pretty good and doesn't look like it needs to be cleaned, but I'd rather it be cleaned because we can add some, it could look the same on both sides, and if it looks one side like it's been cleaned and one side it's not, it looks very raunchy, so. And just like that, it's been cleaned. Now the reality with this brow is actually kind of fix it as well with more of the Anastasia dip brow, because sometimes you mess up even with the concealer, like right here, we made a little bump right here, so and just like that, the brows have been done. Okay, so what I like to do, if I want my eyeshadows to look good, I do either put eyeshadow or eyelid primer, eyeshadow primer, but I don't have mine right now, it's with my friend. So we're gonna be using the Super Stay Maybelline concealer. So we're gonna take that same beauty blender, but we're gonna add the opposite side of where we use the foundation, and we're gonna use it for the concealer, and we're gonna pat this sucker in. That's what it looks like. Everything has been blended out. So we're gonna get that Morphe M518 brush, and we are going to be getting the lighter colors in the palette. This is a very neutral shade color, and it helps out with some base on my eyeshadow. Right there, it has been applied, and we're gonna start off with the process. So we're gonna get the Morphe M433 brush, which is this little sucker right here. I should be cleaning my brushes, but I haven't cleaned them in a while. And we're gonna get one of the lightest lights of the browns we can find here. It's probably gonna be one of these orange looking ones. This one right here. Okay. I'm gonna add it to our crease anyways. And this is gonna be our starting off shape. The reason why I start off with very lights is that I can actually add up to the top, and with the light colors I can really bring them to the top right up here. See, if I just had light, this thing would look amazing, see? Next we're gonna go in for a darker shade, and we're gonna go in for this shade over here. More of a darker shade like this, right into the crease. We're gonna put most of it in the crease. We're gonna go in with an even darker color. In the same brush, we're gonna go into the darkest of the darkest browns. Well, there's another darker brown, but I'm not gonna go into that dark brown. So we're just gonna go, and this one's gonna be almost strictly into the cut crease, or in the crease area, so. As you guys can see, it's not really blended very well. That's why I'm gonna get that M518 brush again, and we're gonna go into the very light browns. The same light brown that I used at first, we're gonna go right here. My eyes are like more hooded, so it's very hard to get things down to where I want them to be, which kind of sucks to be honest with you, but what can I do about that? Concealer brush, here we come. The N421 brush that we're using for the concealer is gonna be used for the cut crease. So I think I might need to I don't know, hold on. Let's see what we can do here. Same concealer we're using from Maybelline. What I want to do is I'm going to get the M518 brush, and we're going to get the dark brown again, and we're going to put it in this area. What we're going to end up getting is the Morphe M124 brush. I think it's on, yeah, M124. It's a very small packing brush in this very shimmery brown look right here. I use it a lot, as you guys can tell. But before I use that, first we're gonna use the Cover FX illuminating spray. We're gonna spray this twice, just to where it's like that, see? So just like that, where it's more golden. Now onto the other side, and I'll be right back with you guys when the other side is done. And just like that, they've been done. I have like more of a hooded eyelid on this side because of my bone structure, and as well as and less on this side because I got hit with the baseball right here. So just letting you guys know, you can really see it if I close my eyes. That's about as much as you're gonna be able to see. So yeah, let's go to the eyeliner. I like to use the eyeliner in Trooper in the Kat Von D's eyeliner, like eye tattooed eyeliner styles, and they're so freaking nice. They last all day, and they're so sharp and matte looking. So I like to go under the eye a little bit and work my way from there. Just like that. We go from the inside. So on this one, I'm going to use a lot of eyeliner just because on the picture it looked like she used a lot of eyeliner. So that's why I end up using her here is quite a bit of eyeliner. She looked like her eyeliner went like this, a little more straight, but I'm trying to just make it a little bigger just to emphasize more on the eye. Also for shimmery effect, because I do know that she has a lot more than just one base shadow on her eyelid where her cut crease is at. A very flat one, very flat brush, and we're going to use it on a very shimmery color that a lot of people like to use in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and it's this one. As you guys can tell, I use it like crazy all the time, and we're going to blend it in with that copper. Next we're going to be doing our other eye, and I'll let you guys know when I'm done with that one. And just like that, both eyeliners came out good. I'm actually pretty decently happy with how everything came out actually. Like this. Like this. And I know exactly, it's not exactly what she did, but I really like it because I just like it. Okay, next we're gonna do our mascara. And what better to use? Our Sensational Lash by Maybelline. It's actually a really good one. It was rated as one of the biggest ones. Before this I was using Artistry or Makeup Forever, but I decided to use this one because I ran out. And also, I don't have any fake lashes with me right now, so yeah, no fake lashes. But when I do use fake lashes, I tend to use the Tarte eyelashes in the style Flirt, I think. Yeah, usually Flirt. So we're gonna also be getting the Tarte eyelash curler. It looks very fancy if you guys don't know. I actually curl after I do the mascara. Some people do it before, I do it after. And then we're gonna get the concealer again. All cleaned underneath the eyeliner on this side. So let's go to this side. Fixed. Now we're gonna get, and this is gonna be like the finishing touches, the Ultra Beauty Foil shadow with Ulta. Alright, so now finally the finishing touches. If you guys don't know, I don't really contour. I never really learned it. I always felt like if I did contour, I'd mess the fuck up out of all my makeup that day. But one of these days I'm gonna get into contouring and stuff like that. Last and final thing, we're gonna be using the Lady Balls style matte lipstick in Too Faced. Everything went backwards right there. Too Faced matte style lipstick in the style of Lady Balls, which is just too funny now that it's me using it. I know, we all know it's a funny joke, pun intended. See how matte this one is? Or matte now. In yesterday's video, I was wearing the red lipstick. I'm wearing it again. We have hit the 1 hour mark. Pretty fucking quick, to be honest. Yeah, I usually take longer to do my makeup, so yeah. This is the look today. I hope you guys did enjoy it. It's not that great. I'm still I guess you can say beginner at makeup, but a lot of people consider me to be very good at makeup, which is awesome. Obviously it's different on the camera you guys are seeing, and lighting, I'm over here trying to make the lighting so much better. But this is a look that we got today. Anyways, guys, if you guys did like the video, please give it a like, show some love, subscribe. I will do some more tutorials for you guys, and in the comfort of my bathroom, I guess you can say, where there's no noise or anything, and there's decent lighting, but not that great of lighting. Yeah. I love you guys. Lots of tear tots. I'm on my shower. You guys are my Charlotte Tears. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.